Hey guys,
what up? We're the Explosion
Bro?
Bro, and today we are bringing you a Watchdog explosion. I'm very sorry that we haven't made some videos for you recently, but we hope that you get some soon. And we made a deadline for about 2 weeks. Like every 2 weeks we give you a video.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoy.
Okay, get on with it. What? What's happened? Oh, this is bad. This Watchdog is bad.
Look.
Okay, I take that back. We might die now.
Rampage.
Yeah, we're done. Oh no, we're not. No.
They're swatting their crappy little vehicles. So guys, that ends this little explosion episode.
Yeah.
Next video will be
Next week.
next week.
Okay.
And
actually, should we do another one?
Yeah,
We'll do another one.
We hope to bring you like this Minecraft puzzle game.
Yeah.
Which we got. So
yeah, it's in the making at the moment, so we're just building it. So hopefully it should go well. And yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.